Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the computer aided drafting laboratory experiment number 2, drawing of a title block with the necessary text and projection symbol. Okay, now let's go to AutoCAD software. Okay, now we open the AutoCAD software. Our AutoCAD version is 2024. So in this case, we have to draw the title block of the diagram. Okay, title block is the most essential diagram of the in engineering drawing. So title block only contains the details of the drawing. Okay, initially we have to set the units, limits, zoom command. In last experiment we discussed well. Now already I set the units, limit, and zoom command. Now we go to draw the AutoCAD title block of the given diagram. This is an example of the given title block. So we have to draw the title block like this. Okay, this title block horizontal length is 230 and vertical length is 130. Before inside of the title block having some details. Okay, so we have to draw the title block. So uh, now we select the line command. I select the line. For straight line purpose, I enable the ortho command. Okay, I click one point. The horizontal distance is in this case 230. Okay, I give the 230. Next, enter. Then I change the direction of the line. The vertical distance of the title block is 130. So I give 130. Enter. Again, I change the direction of the line in leftward direction. So horizontal distance is 230. Enter. Again, I change the upward direction of the line. The vertical distance is 130. So 130. Now again I enter the line command. Now we draw the title block horizontal and vertical distance outside of the title block we draw. Next we have to draw the inner lines. So inner lines there are so many lines are there. We use the 15 distance line. So for that purpose we select this line. From the top onwards we have to draw the lines. So in this case we use offset command. Okay, we select offset. The equal distance we follow 15 okay, 15 and then enter. Select down, select the point and then select the point 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Okay. Next, we have to draw the vertical distance. From vertical distance, we have to draw from the left side of the given diagram. Okay, see the diagram. Okay, now we draw 230 and 130 of rectangle we draw. Again, we draw the 15 lines, 15 gap lines we draw. Next, we draw the vertical distance gap. So in this gap, we select the offset command from this point to the distance is rightward direction. We give 90. Give the value 90 here. Next, we give the okay. Now we want to remove the unwanted lines. Okay, we have to remove the unwanted lines. See the diagram. This is a given diagram. So in this case, we have to remove unwanted lines. So go to AutoCAD. So remove the unwanted lines. We use trim command. Okay. In this case, we use just select trim and then click enter. Uh, here, uh, here these three lines are the we don't need. Okay, this line, this line, this line we don't need. If we need means okay, if we need means we can draw. Next, we use the lines from this point. We have to take again we use offset command. Select this line. Again choose offset command. In a rightward direction, we give 20. enter. Okay, just click here again. Yes, the uh, offset command. Again we go to trim. Just click enter. So we trim the line here. Next we have to take offset from this line. We select this line. Now go to offset. In the rightward, see the original diagram. This is a 20 gap. So we have to choose 20 already we draw. Next, from this line we have to draw the 50 gap line. We have to draw another one line from 50 Okay, so we take a offset from 50. Give the data. Now we draw again. See the diagram. Next, we have to draw this line from this point to rightward 35 So select this line. Give the details 35 from the point. Okay, uh, draw the line. Now we have to escape this offset command. Okay, we draw. Again we have to now we draw all the lines. Okay, in this case we have to draw another one small line from this point to 25 So we select this line, click offset. We give the 25 distance from leftward direction. Now click escape. Then we have to go to trim and then click enter. We have to remove this line from this point. Trim this line. So we don't need this lines. Okay, this lines only we need. Next, see the original diagram here. One, two. These two lines here. This kind of gap we need. So we have to remove this area horizontal line. So in this case, we use trim command. We click trim and then press enter. Oh, this line we don't need. This line we don't need. Just click that. That lines are removed. Next, we have to type the text above the uh, title block. Okay. In this case, just escape from the offset command. Now we go to type the text. Select the A. Next, we have to type here. Um, this is selection. We type. We click text. Then we have to okay. Here in this case, we have to type all the dimensions are in Okay, so we have to type all the dimensions dimensions all the dimensions all the dimensions are in so unit always in small letters you have to follow. So then we have to reduce the text height. We have to reduce text height. For zooming purpose we are using center line. For scrolling, so in this case we measure the dimension. We select the dimension and then we use the dimension value 7. Just enter. So all the values are in high. So in this case we have to reduce the size. If you go to then we have to select all the values. So in this case we zoom. Then here we have to select. This is selection area. These portions we have to go with the value is 10. Now we have to uh, change, click OK, just move the textures from this side. If we reduce the value means we have to if you want to reduce the value means we have to select this text, select all the text and then go and do the change the dimensions. We give 7. Okay, now all the values are in 7. Just okay, all the dimensions are in mm. In this case we 7. Next also if we give 6 means the size will be reduced. Okay, okay, that's all. This is a text inside the title block. Okay, now we copy this text and wherever we use just control C, select the text and control type control C. Now I want to paste here, uh, control V. Here I want to paste and then edit this text. Select and then here I want to give name. I want to give name. That's all. Next, I want to copy this and then paste another one side. Okay, now we want to move this text. In this case, we have to use enable the auto command and also osnap command. Also, we have to enable all the settings. Clear all okay. Now we can move easily from one point to another point. Now copy this and then paste here. This is here name. In this case, we use sign. Uh, Signature. So sign. Next here date. Here we use auto. So then here we have to edit. Here we use date. Date. Okay. Similar way we have to follow. Then we copy this. Here we have to paste. Here we have to edit the value. Edit. Use D or N. Drawing number. D or N. The same details. Control C. Again we have to paste control V. So here also we have to reduce the value. Just the S touches the borderline. So I give 5. Enter. So now this is a title block. Here name, sign, date, dr and dr. drawing all the dimension are in mm, and then we have to mention uh, see college control V, right? So see here I want to paste control V. Here I want to edit it college college. Okay, next I want to just copy college. So here okay, just copy and then paste here. Uh, Here I paste. Then we have to edit roll number. Roll number. Next department. Department. Next name. Here also we use name. Control, control name. Next title. The piping layout. So all the details we have to draw. Now, uh, now all the details are entered. Next, we have to mention its angle of projections. This diagram is a first angle projection or a third angle projection. So the angle of projection also we have to mention. So here we have to draw the angle of projection. Okay. Okay. Now we draw the angle of projection symbol. This is the angle of projection, third angle projection symbol. We draw. Sorry, first angle projections. Okay. In which angle of projection we use means we have to mention. This is the first angle projection. This is the third angle projection symbol. We have to mention. Okay. It's a title block. Finally, we have to mention its dimension and also use the title block name and all the dimensions are in mm we have to give. So first we have to measure its dimensions. Go to horizontal lines. We have to measure from this bottom to top. It's 130. Then again enter. Then click the horizontal distance. This is 230. Next, we have to measure its uh, smallest dimensions. Okay, from this point to this point. Next, we have to measure this point from this point. Next, we have to measure the horizontal distance. This distance. Measure this point from this point to this point. 15. We have to measure this. We have to move this point in center. And in below we go to measure bottom side this point. We can measure this point to this point. This orientation is 90. Next we have to measure this distance from this point to point. So we enter this point and this point distance 25. Again we measure this distance from this point to from this point. This is 150. This is 150. Okay, that's up. Okay, this is a final dimension of the given title block. Next, we have to mention its heading. For the purpose, we use text. So in this case, we don't click again text. Already we noted the values. Okay, just select copy. This is a this title heading is a title block. So give name. I click here and the text will be open. No problem. Just copy Control C and the Control V. The text will open and then click double click. Here we edit the name title block. In this is a heading, so we have to change. It's a 10 and we use bold. Uh, okay, for the small size. Again we click. If we need a large size means we give the value 10. Enter. That's all. It's a title block. This is a heading. Next we have to give the all the dimensions are in mm already we noted. So just a copy and then paste here. Copy and paste here. We have to edit it. Okay. This is a given title block diagram. So we draw completely. This is a given title block diagram. The same way we completed the AutoCAD title block diagram. Okay, okay students, thank you. Okay, we will discuss. We will see next experiment. Okay, thank you. If any doubt means students, you have to comment in comment box.